Hello and welcome to my channel. This has got to be my best gift guide I've ever done. I'm really into this gift guide. I've got a lot of really good stuff in here. We're going to start with practical, reasonable, logical, more budget friendly, and then we're going to move into maybe you don't necessarily need this version, but they're really nice, a little bougie, a little more luxe. But we'll start with the logical, practical, realistic, budget friendly, and then we'll move this direction. Okay, I'm going to start off with one that I know you've heard before, but it is a good gift, and then we'll get into some ones you probably haven't heard before. But a toiletry bag, I will say that is a really good gift for people because they just get dirty and we just have to end up, you know, people love toiletry bags. So I have two here. One is the one I recommended last year. It's on Amazon and it holds a ton of stuff. I had this one. It got so dirty that I just ended up having to throw it away. But the only problem I had with it is that it holds too much stuff. It like takes up too much room in my suitcase. And I don't wear a ton of makeup. I don't bring a lot of makeup. I try to bring minimal. So it's just too big for me, but I think this would be really good for somebody who does bring a ton of toiletries on their trip. The one that I like, one that I currently have and I like to use is the Cushy. And they have 3 different sizes. The small one is for very minimal makeup. And then if I need to bring more than makeup, like I'm going to have a fancy night out or something, the medium size is the way to go. And I really like this one. It's sturdy. It's easy to clean. It's a great toiletry bag. If you have any people on your list who like to read, this is a really good one. There's reading journals now. And I love these reading journals because they have prompts to have you answer a few questions about the book that you've read or are reading. And the reason why this is really good is because I love to read. I read books all the time, but I find, you know, I'm like, oh, this book was life-changing. It did everything. And then a couple weeks later, I'm like, what did I read? What? I don't remember. And I do highlight and everything like that. But these reading journals are really helpful for people who like to read and want to retain the information. And also writing this stuff down rather than just highlighting it can help you retain the information. Now, if you also have somebody who loves to read and they also love fantasy books, they were like all into Fourth Wing or A Court of Thorn and Roses, there are journals that look like they belong in one of these fantasy novels. I don't have this one. I just thought it was really cool. But that would be a really fun gift for someone in that category. A gift for him or her. It could be for anybody who cooks the meat. But I bought this, I want to say it's by Cuisinart, de-thawing tray. I thought, well, is this really going to work? But I will say it does cut defrosting meat cut the time in about half. So like if you are somebody or you have a husband who freezes meats and there's like a big chunk of meat and then they want to eat it, instead of putting it in the refrigerator to sit there for 2 days, you know, you could use one of these trays and you could put that big piece of meat on there and it thaws quite quickly. This one I love. If you have anybody who works out at home, either does yoga at home, just works out at home, a folding yoga mat is the way to go. I love these. I actually tried out the really expensive fancy one and I tried out the one that was just basic on Amazon. And I actually like the Amazon one better. It was just like a little squishier and I just like the way it felt a little bit better. It's a lot cheaper too, but you can fold this up. And the reason why this is great is because this will easily slide under your bed, but also if you ever do like stretches and stuff and you have to get on your knees, this you can kind of fold up and you can give yourself knee support instead of reaching around for the nearest pillow or something. And so because your knees will hurt on just a regular mat. So these are great for people who work out from home or do any kind of activity on the floor at home. Now, something I was given last year that I thought was pretty cool, but it's basically to pump up your tires. It's a device that pumps up your tires without you having to go to somewhere to get them pumped up. So this is obviously great to keep in your car. I have not had to use it yet, thank goodness. I think pajamas are always a really great gift. So the ones that I'm going to recommend here are these ones I got from Nordstrom, randomly at their Nordstrom anniversary sale. And I love these. I love them. They are so soft and comfy. I wash and wear these constantly. And another one that I like that's not pajama top and bottom, but it's the boyfriend boxers from Skims. And Skims pajamas are so nice. They're just so soft. You know, silk is obviously a great way to go for silk pajamas, but for people who don't want silk or you don't want to get silk for somebody, Skims has some really great soft, like very comfortable pajamas. I am trying to go through these kind of fast. I hope I'm not going too fast, but I just want to kind of like give them to you quick. A lot of guys in your life and in women as well, they might need a power bank. A power bank block. You basically can plug in all of your devices, anything, and you can get, and also for your friends who like to journal or maybe want to get back into journaling, there are these journaling prompt cards, which these would be great stocking stuffers, but I think these are really great, especially for people who are like, I want to journal, but I just don't know how, like I don't know what to write. These are perfect. This is a really basic one, a very useful one, but there will be people, you go to their house and they have the finest china and diamonds hanging from the walls and their chandeliers are from the Italian, like something, but you go to their oven mitts and they have holes in them. You know, it's just not something that people think about replacing. And so good oven mitts. I'm getting these from my mom because she has beautiful furniture and antiques and stuff in her house. But then you go to get something hot out of the oven and they're just getting some old rag with holes in it. You like scorch your hands as you're trying to pull things out. Anyways, I'm getting her oven mitts. I will link the ones I'm getting below. I think these are great. They look like really sturdy. And so I feel like that's a great gift that, you know, maybe a lot of people need, but just they don't have. I love this one. I mentioned this one last year, but it's such a great gift. It's a great stocking stuffer. Everybody needs this, your men, your ladies, your kids, whatever, but it's nice socks. So my favorite brand of socks are Bombas. I've talked about them before. They sponsor some of my videos, but that's like the only socks that I wear. I wear them for running because I want my feet to be comfortable, but they have really good cashmere and merino wool socks. They are so soft. They just have really beautiful socks, and I love their underwear. They have really great women's underwear. I've not worn their men's underwear, but I'm assuming the men's underwear is great too. So do you have anyone who's artistic, or they want to be artistic, or they want to get away from their phone? They want to get away from like all the screens. There are these really cool paint by number paintings. They come with a canvas, they come with all the paints, and basically it just shows you where to paint these beautiful pictures. So I think this is a really cool gift, and I just feel like it's really good for somebody who's like, I really want to kind of cut down on my screen time, or I want to find a hobby, you know, something like that. I feel like these would be a really great gift for that person. Another practical one, we're not into the bougie yet. Practical gift are bowl covers, and you're like, why would I need them? They all come with plastic lids. No, they don't. You're really nice bowls that are beautiful that you bring out when you have guests. Let's say you're going to somebody else's house and you want to bring that bowl. What are you going to cover it up with? You just use saran wrap or something. So there's bowl covers you can use on these beautiful bowls. They have a waterproof lining on the inside, and it just makes life a lot easier. I've said in some gift somewhere, I don't know when, but the Laneige, I wish it was on the screen, Laneige, I think it's called, but I love their lip products, so good, and they have a really good gift set right now. It's like $32 or something. I love the gift sets around Christmas. I always find just like really good ones. That one's a really good one because I really love those products in there. We're gonna start getting to a little teeny bit more bougie now. Nice makeup brushes. If there's somebody who you feel like has everything, I feel like nice makeup brushes are the way to go. So I've tried the Hourglass foundation brush that's supposed to be like, you know, the best. And I gotta be honest, I don't feel like it's any different than my BK Beauty one, which is a lot cheaper. And BK Beauty has these like makeup brush sets. So I think Hourglass, if you wanna buy somebody something fancy, the Hourglass name, that's like a very luxurious brush brand. But if you don't want to spend that kind of money on just one brush, I think the BK Beauty brushes, they do the job just as well, and they're not as expensive, and also just a really great gift. Candles, not just any old candles, y'all. If you want to go the luxurious, bougie, just smelling like heaven route, you want to go to the Flamenco Estate candles. They smell like heaven. They smell like peace and sunshine on a beautiful 70-degree, very low humidity day. They smell so good. And it's really hard to recommend a candle because you can't smell it, you know, through the video or anything like that. But these are really great smelling candles. They ain't cheap, y'all. They're not cheap, but they're just a very nice gift for somebody, especially if they recognize the brand. And if they go look it up, they'll see like what an amazing, like cool brand this is. Somebody doing a beautiful fancy party, it's gonna be a beautiful hostess gift, but just a beautiful gift for anybody, especially somebody who feels like who has everything. Even if they were to have this candle, they would love to have others. Now, I will say, if you want to go the budget-friendly route, there are also some really good candles from Quince. Quince has got some, I have one of them, so I shouldn't say all of them are great. I have one candle from Quince. and it smells great, and it's a soy candle. It's, doesn't have all the weird stuff in it. So that is a great option if you want to go the more budget-friendly route. Now, if you know someone who likes to travel, probably a woman, but it could be a man, I will say I have these hobo fanny packs. I've had them for at least 10 years. And this is what I bring whenever I travel, like internationally, or I travel to a city and I'm gonna be walking around a lot. I put it across my body so I have my hands free. It's usually like under my jacket or something. It's just like a very practical item to travel with, because I don't want to be lugging around a purse all day, and I don't want to worry about pickpockets or anything like that. And I love these, and they still like basically look like new, even though they're so old and they've been used so many times. So a hobo doesn't have this exact one anymore, but they have their updated style. So these are beautiful options. But then I saw that Quince has a very similar looking leather crossbody fanny pack kind of situation as well. So if you want to go, I don't know. I haven't tried the Quince one, but I'm assuming it's probably almost as nice as the hobo one, because they do a really good job with their leather. So if you want to go the hobo route, these are amazing, but I think Quince would be a great budget-friendly option. I feel like on every suggestion of Christmas list, there's a throw on the list. And the only reason why I'm having it on this list is because I am getting it for my dad. And the reason why is we'll go to his house, him and my mom's house, and they'll have it at like 75 or 78, and he's freezing, and he's like, why do y'all have it so cold in here? And I'm like, I'm just sweating. And so he'll go to his chair and he'll just like bundle up in a literal like flannel jacket or something. So I'm getting him, I'm getting a throw that I think he can put over his chair, but also I know my mom is not gonna want any old throw. It's gotta like look nice or something. So I'm getting a cashmere one for him, but that my mom will hopefully be able to leave there on his chair. Hopefully he'll use it. But so I've got this one coming. It's not here yet. And then also, I will say the last year I got a Barefoot Dreams throw, and it's very soft. My kids fight over it. It is such a comfy, cozy, thick blanket. In the bathrobe category, I'm loving the Turkish cotton like towel robes. You can actually just get out of the shower and put these on out of the shower, because it is basically towel fabric. These are great. And this one by Parachute is so cozy and comfy. And then also by Parachute are their towels. These are the best towels I have ever felt. And I don't know if maybe because I need new towels. So I don't know if maybe my current towels, maybe they used to feel this nice and they don't anymore, but they are nothing like these Parachute towels. And I have really nice towels, but they were really nice 12 years ago when I bought them. That's kind of gross. Are you supposed to keep towels for 12 years? I don't know, but I have. And this is the thing, a lot of people do. Like, we just don't really think of replacing those. And mine are just looking really, really bad. So I bought some of these from Parachute. They are amazing. So if you are going to buy towels for somebody, I would probably buy them in white, but these are so good. I also tried out their sheets, by the way, and I like them. They're amazing. And I still think they're really great sheets, but I do kind of like my Boll & Branch and my Brooklinen sheets a little better. Those are my two favorite, Boll & Branch and Brooklinen. That's we alternate. They're just kind of in the rotation on my bed. And then I tried the Parachute and I like them, but just not quite as much as those other two. I will link those below because those are really good sheet options if you want to buy somebody's sheets. But towels, amazing. Bathrobe, amazing from Parachute. I always think high quality, like beautiful classic jewelry is also a great gift for someone. I love these earrings. I don't know if these would be for everybody, but these are, I wear these all the time. They're little pearl hoops. I just think they're fun because they're like a classic pearl, but they're a unique style. But like diamond studs, lab grown diamonds have made diamonds more accessible or more affordable. And I think that's a really great gift. The single diamond necklaces, I think that's a beautiful gift for somebody. A beautiful herringbone gold necklace, I think is a beautiful classic gift for somebody. I have these gold square hoops. They are a little under $100 from Bougie that I think are a really great gift for somebody because they're still more classic, but they're unique. And then my most bougie gift, I feel like the other ones have been, yes, they're a little more luxe, but they're nothing super crazy. This one is just, I'm not sure why it's so expensive, but it would be a very nice gift for someone who has really thick hair. So I went and bought a Mason Pearson brush. So I ordered it, and I'll be honest, it is a pretty nice brush, and I have fine, pretty thin hair. I don't get tangles really bad. So I was like, oh, this is okay. My daughter has a lot thicker hair than I do, and I was shocked at just how smooth and shiny it made her hair. So I can see that this would be a really great brush for someone who has a lot of hair. And these brushes are supposed to be so well made that as long as you take care of them, they should last you literally forever, like for the rest of your life. So you don't ever have to replace this brush unless, of course, you lose it or something. But this is definitely the bougie route. But I will say, if you have somebody who is a little bougie and they have thick hair, this might be a good gift for them if you want to go that route. So that was my Christmas list. I hope that you got some ideas from here. I will link everything in the description box. I will pin the comments. I'm going to do some YouTube links if I'm able to. I'll try to make it easy to shop if you're still looking for gifts. I feel like I'm a little late because I feel like everybody got Christmas started really early this year, but I don't know. This is where when I did it. So anyway, I'll try to do better next year and do it earlier, but I hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.